Hey girl, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm about to get ready. I'm probably just gonna use like 4 products: primer, a little bit of powder, and brows and lips. For powder, I'm gonna use this Kat Von D in the shade Deep 200. And I'm just taking this big brush and I'm gonna put this all over my face. A very quick look. I literally have no time. So I'm like in negative time right now, trying to get ready. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Jasmine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do vlogs, makeup videos, lifestyle, all the fun stuff. Pretty chill over here on this side of the internet. So yeah, if you want to join, subscribe. For my brows, I'm gonna use the Kosas brow gel. And I'm just gonna comb it through. So I'm gonna use this on my lips. This is from Clarins. Actually, I want to use my other lip product. I don't know where it at. I have 2 products I've been obsessed with. One from Item and one from Lawless, the lip oil, the lip products, but I don't know where I put them. And that always happens whenever I am really obsessed with something. I lose it, like lip products. It's always missing. Because I put it in all my different bags and then I can't find it. I'm gonna put a lip oil today because I'm gonna wear a mask at the nail salon, and since it's like an oil and not a gloss, it's not gonna stick to the mask. I'm gonna wear these. I need to stop at the bank and I need to, well, I don't need to, but I want to stop at Starbucks first. So I'm trying to get out of the house so I could do all these things and still be on time. Now I put the time in my calendar as 9:30, and now I don't remember if the appointment is really at 9:30 or if it's at 10, and I put 9:30 so that I would remember, like, so I wouldn't be late. I don't remember, so now I'm like, crap, like I wish I knew what time it actually was, you know. So all right, makeup is pretty much done. I'm gonna put on some hand lotion. I'm gonna pack my bag. I have hand sanitizer, my keys, I have a mask. You have a mask in here. I'm gonna put this in here. I have this one glove because I went to Cali's soccer game and it was freezing, so I have a glove in here. I'm gonna put my watch on because I actually charged it, and I have one AirPod. The other one is under my car seat. Today's fragrance, I'm gonna wear Burberry Her, so I'm gonna spray this on. Quick outfit of the day, wearing a Skims top. Boyfriend see these basically sweatpants. These sweatpants are from Instagram, really casual and simple, so I'm gonna head out. It's actually not so bad today, like weather wise it's not as cold. It's like an actual fall day, which I feel like we haven't had many of these this year. It's been like straight up just cold. All right, let me just put in the address. So I'm trying a new nail salon, you guys. Well, I have been here before, but not with this person, but someone else did my nails, and the person who did my nails last time was not good. All right, so we're gonna go. Hopefully she's good. So I just arrived. It's 9:29. I had to stop at the bank. I stopped to get gas because my tank was on literally E. So I'm about to go in. Hopefully my appointment was at 10 and not, yeah, so I'm about to go in and I'll talk to you guys later. I'll show you guys the before and you guys will see the after. New nails. I just pulled up to Starbucks. I'm about to go grab some coffee. I didn't have time to get it beforehand because I was running really close to the time. These are my nails. They look so good. I love it for the season. I think it's perfect for November. So I got a grande iced toasted white mocha, and this is one of their holiday drinks. I actually wanted to try the sugar cookie one, but they were sold out of sugar cookies, so I went with this one. I think I'm gonna stop at the supermarket because I wanted to make a Instant Pot recipe today. So I think I'm gonna go grab some groceries for that. So this is like a chicken recipe. We have a tortilla soup, which sounds good, but I don't think I want that. There's a chicken Alfredo. Pancakes. What is this movie they keep trying to make me watch? Finch. I keep seeing this everywhere. An egg? No. Disgusting. Y'all, this freaking ad. That kind of sounds good, not gonna lie. Chicken and dumplings. So I decided I'm going to make a shepherd's pie. Honestly, I've never made this before, but I figured I would try it out. It's rated pretty well. It's a shepherd's pie with ground beef, and yeah, I figured I would just try it out. It seems easy enough. And these are all the ingredients I'm gonna pick up. Time to go home. This is my mini grocery haul. I picked up some beef broth for the recipe that I'm going to make today. Also got some carbones. I also got some Alfredo sauce, half and half. This is for today's recipe. Some black beans. Got some tomato paste for today's recipe. Got some chopped onions. I don't have to chop them myself. I also got some thyme. I think I do have like the kind in the jar, but I just picked this one up as well. Got some grass-fed beef for today's recipe as well. This turkey is for tomorrow's taco. We're gonna have Taco Tuesday as usual. I picked up some taco mix as well, like the seasoning for that. I also got some of these. These are the mixed vegetables for today's pie. I got some organic sea salt chips. Then I got some of this Worcestershire sauce. I never know how to say this, and I barely ever use this sauce. Every time I get this, it's usually like this one recipe that calls for it. I use it that one time and then I throw it out. I mean, it expires basically, and then I end up throwing it out. Let's see when this expires, like 2023. I guarantee you I'm gonna use this today and maybe like one other time, and then that's gonna be it. I'm gonna use these potatoes because these are the ones that I have. So yeah, we're using these types of potatoes. Since they're sweet, it's gonna have like a sweet taste, which I think is gonna taste really good. Have this in here so I can boil the potatoes. So I'm just gonna put them in here. Alright, so I'm working on tonight's video. I actually didn't upload my weekly vlog yesterday, so I'm gonna upload it tonight. I have to do the thumbnail, and I also need to plan out the rest of November. So I know some of you guys, I've seen a couple of people ask, and people wanted to know like how I plan content and organize and stuff like that. I am kind of a type A when it comes to stuff like that. I like to really have control over everything and know who, what, where, why, when everything's gonna happen. So with that being said, every month I usually, like towards the middle to end of the month, I usually go through the entire month, plan out what I'm gonna film, what I'm gonna vlog. All that stuff is planned out. Otherwise, I find myself scrambling and being anxious, and I don't like that. I'd rather know exactly what's gonna be happening on certain days. I'm usually home Mondays and Tuesdays working on content. Those days are I reserve for filming, whether it be for Instagram or YouTube. Then throughout the rest of the week, I edit content. I don't tend to film on other days. In the past, I used to. I had no choice. In the past, I used to stay up late and film at night, or wake up really early in the morning and film. I don't have to do that anymore, so I don't. I just film on those 2 days. So I usually edit throughout the week. I don't necessarily edit in one space. Sometimes I edit at home. Sometimes I edit on a break. Sometimes I edit like in the car. It just really depends. So I say all this to say that for me, it's really about organizing my calendar. Maybe I'll show you guys like a fake simulation. I feel like I kind of did something like this in the past, but I don't remember. So this is an example of my calendar, right? This is January. I have nothing here, obviously, but I already plugged in that I'm gonna be having vlogs on Sundays. Ooh, the pot is going off. And then I know like I'm gonna have 2 other videos during the week because I like to upload 3 times a week. So when I'm planning out content for like a vlog, what I do is I'll select this day and I'll go into here. This is a different calendar. And then I'll do my what I'm filming calendar. So this is like what I'm gonna be filming. So I'll name this weekly vlog, and there's 2 ways of doing this. I do it this way sometimes, and then I do it a different way sometimes, but let me show you guys this way. So for weekly vlog, I'll do that, and then I will literally write out anything that I definitely want to include. So let's say I want to do a Taco Tuesday in that vlog. I'll put Taco Tuesday so that I remember what I'm going to vlog, and then everything else I'm just not gonna vlog. So it just makes it easier for me. I like to just have that much order. I like to have order in my life, otherwise everything gets too chaotic and I can't function. So I know I want to do Taco Tuesday in this vlog. Let's say I know that I ordered something from, I don't know, Amazon. I'll do like Amazon order. So I remember to show you guys what I got on Amazon. Let's say that I know I'm gonna go to the zoo that day or that week. Then I'll put zoo. That is definitely not how you spell zoo. I'll put zoo if I know I'm going to the zoo like sometime during that week. So whatever I'm doing that week, I will pick certain things out that I want to include in a vlog. I don't include everything, but I just try to pick from what I'm doing. So for this vlog in particular, let's say I'm going to start vlogging on the Monday and I'm going to end the vlog on the Thursday. So let's say for this, oh gosh, it didn't work. From the Monday to this day. Save. Okay, so you guys can see, so you see here it has this whole area like highlighted. This is all gonna be one vlog, that weekly vlog, and that weekly vlog is gonna go up on the 9th. So me ending the vlog on Thursday leaves me Friday, Saturday, and some of Sunday to edit it and have it up, hopefully by Sunday or Monday, depending. But I like to know what days I'm gonna be vlogging. Another way you can do it is basically like in this vlog, for example, you can go in here and write what you want to do in the vlog like that. So that's one way to do it. As far as my other videos, then let's say I know I'm gonna do like a Sephora haul. That's in my mind right now because the Sephora VIB sale is still going on. And I'm like tempted to order more stuff. So let's say so I know I'm gonna film that on Monday, and maybe I'll film one more video, and it might be like maybe I'll do another video on that same day, because sometimes I film more than one video. Let's say I'll do everyday makeup. So I know on this day I'm gonna be filming these 2 videos. On the weekends, you see I have like shoot days. My mom and I usually shoot content on the weekends. She works every other weekend, so that's how we have it scheduled. So that's pretty much how I plan out my content in terms of like what I'm filming and like how I find content. It really varies. Like the seasonal is a big one for me. So it's the holiday season, I'm gonna film things that have to do with the holidays. I tend to go through seasonal stuff first. So like if it's the holiday season, I'll pick out holiday themed content, and then from there I'll go through like what's trending in my favorite categories. So like what's trending in makeup, fashion, home stuff. I love home stuff, cooking, what new foods are out, what new Starbucks drinks are out. Like that's kind of like how my brain works. So I categorize everything in that way and I make content around it. So that's one thing that I do. I know other people do different strategies, but yeah, that's what I do. So now I'm going to make the rest of the recipe. Okay, so these are the potatoes mashed up. They are a little darker because I did use the Japanese ones and not the like Irish potatoes. Just place the meat in here, put the potato over it, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven for like 5 minutes, and that is pretty much gonna be the meal. You guys, this smells so good. Bowl. Put it in here. Okay, so I pretty much covered everything with the potato, and basically what I did was I put all the meat in the pan and then I smeared the potato all over it and I just flattened it out. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna put this in the oven to broil for about 10 minutes, and that is pretty much it. This is the pie, you guys. I'm gonna try it out. I think it's gonna taste really good, but let's try it. It's a lot later. I just got in a package from West Elm, so I figured I'd open it up. Put my hair up in a ponytail. It was just all over my face.
Appreciate that.
I charged that thing.
Alright, so we're gonna be Bob the Builder tonight because
Bob the Builder.
Apparently this did not come assembled. I didn't realize. What a bummer. But anyways, I'm gonna drink some of this real quick. This is my immunity drink. I'm gonna just have a sip of this and then have another sip later because it's super strong.
Does purse rhyme with nurse? You guys talking.
Where's your computer guy?
You guys, I have a question for you peeps.
What's your question?
So, what's an adjective for the sun?
I don't know if there is one. That's a great question.
There's so many.
Adjective for the sun?
Yes.
Oh, what's an adjective? Oh, a describing word? Bright, yellow,
Big.
big, hot.
Oh, I couldn't even. I was like, "What's an adjective for a sun?" And I
What you were saying?
and I was like,
What's
"What?"
another word? What's another word?
Verb.
No. Like when you say another word.
What if I crawled under here like, and you're just doing stuff, and you're like, "Stop
You
it!
can do
We
it the other
can't
way
work."
too, so you don't scratch the thing.
What does that mean? Like,
Kai, move please.
I was
Oh,
just
sorry.
kidding. I wasn't really gonna do
oh,
it.
like that.
Yeah, if you want. I mean, I saw that you were getting close to the thing. I don't know. I don't know. It could be. Maybe. Maybe not. Think about it. Adjective is a describing word. How would you describe the sun?
I described
Would
it
you
as sunny.
Well, you can't use the word sunny.
Yes, I can.
Sunny?
I could use the word sunny.
That's like me saying, Callie is Wait.
Here.
Second. Then boom, you got it right wrong.
Looks good.
Okay.
LeBron James said that.
He said what?
LeBron James said that himself.
What do you say?
You have to right a wrong to right a right.
Yeah, that's true, Kai. You're speaking facts.
Here is the table. It looks really nice.